Welcome back to Neetha's Indulgences. Christmas season is finally here and we are kicking off things with some fun finger food. So we are making 3 delicious appetizers. One is ham tree puff. The second one is dates wrapped in bacon. And the third one is quail egg bites. So what are we waiting for? Let's crack on with it. Our first dish is bacon wrapped dates. Let's take a look at the ingredients. Bacon, camembert cheese, dates. This is camembert cheese. It's soft, silky, smooth cheese. You will find this in Host or Pantry in Cochin. If you are in Chennai, you will find it in Ammanana and Nilgiris. Yes. Okay, I'm cutting the dates and slowly opening it, taking out the seed. First we'll take a small piece. Okay, take a slice of this, a small portion of this, and then add this to the dates. Time to wrap the bacon around our little cuties. Now these beauties are ready. Let's bake. So I'm keeping the temperature at 180 degrees and moving it to first 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, we'll check the bacon if it's cooked or not. Our bacon wrapped dates are ready. So our second dish is ham tree puffs. Let's take a look at the ingredients. Ham, garlic cheese spread, puff pastry, Italian seasoning. Struggle is real. There are 2 puff pastries that we have here. Now what I'll do is I'll spread the spicy garlic cheese. Sprinkling some Italian herbs. Work your way around this very fast because the puff pastry tends to become very soft and sticky. Putting some ham. I'm cutting this puff pastry into thin strips. So this is what we are looking at. And now the first layer, we're trying to make a Christmas tree, okay? Shorter and then a small. There you go. Let's do the egg wash for our ham tree puff. I've taken 1 egg. Now let's brush this. This will give a nice golden color. Our beautiful ham tree puff is ready. Let's bake this at 180 degrees for roughly about 25 minutes. I've cut half of a cucumber and I'm placing a toothpick. our final appetizer is Quail Egg Bites. Let's take a look at the ingredients. Quail eggs, sausages, bread, butter. So there's no measurement for this particular dish. Just watch, enjoy and make it. I like to boil my sausages. That's always a better way of doing it. Adding in some water. Add butter and toast the bread. Time to make our quail eggs. Spread some butter. Add the egg, the sausage and use a toothpick. There you go. Lightly sprinkle salt and I am adding in a little bit of red chili flakes for the Christmas look. And that's a wrap. Our Christmas appetizers are ready. It's crispy and golden. Now if you look at this one, don't worry, it's the cheese that has melted and turned into a light brown in color. But if you have it hot, it tastes really good. One small thing that you need to add is salt. A little bit of salt and a little bit of chili flakes will give a more punch to the Christmas tree. And try these out for your Christmas get-togethers and let me know in the comment section. Until next week, take care. Bye-bye. Dates, cabernet and bacon. Flavor bomb. So, let's start with the bacon wrap prawns.
Prawns?
Bacon wrapped.